Ever thought about using live photos as wallpaper on your iPhone? You're in for a treat. This video will walk you through the steps to set it up. To jazz up your iPhone with a lively live photo wallpaper, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Tap on Add a new wallpaper and opt for a live photo. Select the live photo that you wish to add. After that, tap on Day and Date to change the widgets. Choose your preferred widgets, then tap on Wallpaper to go back. Now tap on Time to Play with Font and Color. Explore various fonts, adjust thickness, and dive into a spectrum of colors. Swipe right for color grid and sliders. Once satisfied, tap on the wallpaper again. But wait, there's more. Add widgets like Gmail, Health, Weather, Alarm Clock, and more for quick access from the lock screen. Once done, return to the Wallpaper section and tap on Add. If you want to add this wallpaper as a pair, go ahead. If not, you can customize the home screen. In this video, we'll set this wallpaper as a pair. Ta-da! Your live wallpaper is good to go. Are you ready for more tech tips? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into a video crafted just for you.